So you want to live Lower Hamilton, but you don't want to be as far east as Stony Creek, and you don't want to live downtown. You want to be close to the bus route and schools and hiking trails and walking trails and the beach and shopping and restaurants. Sounds to me like you want to be in the Normanhurst community, which is East Hamilton. Specifically, you might want to check out 177 Ivon Avenue. Seriously, check it out. Thanks for taking a peek at 177 Ivon Avenue. I'm Wendy Wolf, and I'm your homegirl.